In this video, I am going to show you guys how to fix the NVIDIA control panel not showing up on Windows 10. So when you right click on your screen, this should appear right here as I currently have as well. But if you don't have this here, yeah, then that is a problem, of course. So there is a few like weird methods in by going to your files and stuff like that. But there is like a really easy method as well. All you want to do is go to the Microsoft Store, just like this. Search for the NVIDIA control panel, and it is just an actual app. And just, yeah, since I already have it, just download it. Because I actually had the same problem. Because for some people, this will just come, yeah, sort of like with the PC or something like that. When you just yeah, just right click, it will just show already there. But for me as well, I didn't have the control panel, so yeah, I just found out that you could also just yeah, look it up on the Microsoft Store and download it from there, and then this will just appear right here, and if you click on it, it will just open up. So yeah, that is basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.